I love India.
Okay.
Wait, yeah.
Ladies, you face.
If people honk, you can't walk peacefully. यहाँ traffic बहुत लगता है सतले पर. Alright, this is another day in Sappa. Let's go have breakfast. See how that is.
कोई नहीं सब कुछ तो पी लिया खा लिया जाओ
Down. Alright, now we head for a cable car or something. Some touristy stuff. एक दो चीजें तो कर ले because we've paid for it or whatever. Let's see. वैसे हमें इतना मजा नहीं आता touristy चीजों में. But it'll be fun. What up, Tony?
Morning.
Morning. How you slept?
Breakfast?
Yeah, slept well.
I think you didn't get breakfast.
Slept well.
Yeah, slept well. You get breakfast.
Dando. How are you, brother?
So 2013, nothing here. 2013 is a Bear Hill.
Is it safe?
Very safe. It's Austria and Switzerland cable.
Austrian
It's the
Switzerland.
biggest, the longest, cheaper 3 cable.
It's like the only touristy thing we're doing, and if it's a disappointment, never again.
Some picture here.
No, we're good. Let's go. He's sexist, man.
Men take picture like this in pocket. Yeah.
Sunglasses for one person. I have a 10, but I leave 9 at home.
Very nice. It suits you. It does. It really does.
Recording, wait, hold it from here.
It's recording.
Wait, yeah. Good. One more.
I guess.
Smells so good, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's Raat Ki Rani. We have this at our house all the time.
Yeah. That's very good. Very
Very
good.
nice.
Very good, sir.
very cool right
Okay, that is.
no not
Look at the bell.
I'm very scared I can see
Okay, that was fast AF.
आजा गोदी में आजा आजा गोदी में आजा
मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा
आजा आजा गोदी में आजा
मेरे कार्ड में कुछ
आजा आजा
सच्ची में झूठ रहा हूँ
आजा आजा
मेरी चीख के निकल रही है
आजा थोड़ी सुनाता हूँ तुझे आजा 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 यहाँ पे आजा
So the best part about doing this was that the temperature is lower. We can feel like the cool winds and you see a bunch of waterfalls. I think that's the best part. Unit here is very scared. I've never seen it this scared in life. But yeah. Dana, how are you feeling? He's good. He's on Noida. Bungee jumping karni hai. So we've come here. I think it's worth it. The weather is like pretty cool. But saas chal rahi hai. Oxygen kam hai. We just climbed a bunch of stairs. But yeah, not bad. Kind of worth it. Solely for the mist, the weather, and the vibes. Yeah, cool stuff. So you can take an electric train or take the steps. Yeah, on the way back we can do the steps and now electric train. So good.
Đến với tàu hỏa leo núi Phan Xipang, tàu hỏa leo núi lên và giữ thăng bằng để đảm bảo an toàn chống sự lạnh chuyển.
Summit of now, Vietnam, Cambodia.
Your Fansipan Summit. How far is China?
About 40 kilometers to China border.
Danda.
खाना गिरना जाए पीछे
About 40 kilometers. Good stuff. Yeah, touristy, but honestly it's fine. Decent. The weather warmed up. It's not cold anymore. Body's warmed up. No jacket needed at all.
How many times have you been here? I don't remember.
That's the cable car, man. It seems crazy now that you see it from here. Totally crazy. Damn it. Dikh bhi raha hai video mein. If you can't see it, I can. Good stuff. After walking 50 steps, this very brilliant footballer from his school days You know, there's a meme going viral about Conor McGregor and Neymar, how alcohol has ruined their health and their performance. I see an athlete in front of me. Go sober for 60 days.
I've gone sober for 90 days many times.
Willingly or unwillingly? Cheers. You want a beer? Sure. At lunch. Cheers.
ऐसे हाथ रख दिया. I was like, what? And she's like, oh, sorry, we thought of someone else. No.
Cheers.
She's late. Yeah, very good.
Man and boy together.
Man and boy together. But what about lady?
This boy is younger and man is older.
What about lady?
Ladies, your face.
My face is lady.
Cute guy.
Lady face. Yes.
We're done with that touristy thing and we're done with touristy shit, I guess. It's overrated doing touristy shit. And I'm gonna have lunch and relax in the hotel the entire day. Dim sums are hum.
Salad.
What spring roll?
Spring roll inside with the pork, and we have a salad, and like vegetable salad. We have a duck with honey, Korean duck with honey. We have a chicken curry. We have a shrimp mixed with veggie and other thing. We have mixed veggie, and we have a dessert like tropical fruit.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah. We've been sleepy like insane now.
Yeah, if you drink like yesterday, you can get one free drink at the beginning. But drink free,
So sweet.
and the next one.
You wanna say something?
Diet Coke.
You wanna say something to Indians?
Good morning, Vietnam, India. Good morning, India.
Yeah. Okay.
I love India.
Okay.
लाना तेरे कारण मैं एक लड़की से शादी नहीं करा पाया.
Took a pretty fierce nap. Now let's go have coffee. Streets of Sappa. Hill station energy. Better cleanliness, more civic sense. Better design than back home. Honk बहुत कम करते हैं यार. Honking is the single worst thing right now that I think for the mind and stuff. Honking is so bad, man. If people honk, you can't walk peacefully. यहाँ traffic बहुत लगता है सतले पर. सड़कें पतली हैं but honk नहीं करते ये लोग. Until unless very very important. Going for coffee. I had a nice coffee outdoors. Just gonna have dinner and wind up the day. Tomorrow I'll go for a little trek. But the point is, yeah, continuing the conversation from yesterday, fascism, everyone can tolerate it until it arrives at your doorstep. So never ever will I lean towards a fascist government ever, right? So anyway, thanks for this. Hope you enjoyed Sappa. Tomorrow we'll go back to Hanoi, but this time instead of the Fairmont, we'll be staying at the Sofitel Metropole, which is also a pretty cool hotel. So excited to see that too. See you guys later. Thanks for the support and keep evolving.